Excuse me, is this seat free? The cafe is very crowded this morning.
Oh, hello. Yes, please. The seat is free. Go ahead. It is very busy today, isn't it?
It is. Thank you so much. My name is Mark, by the way.
It is a pleasure to meet you, Mark. My name is Anna.
It is great to meet you too, Anna. Is this your first time at this language exchange event?
No, I have been a few times before. I really enjoy it. The atmosphere is always so friendly and relaxed. Is this your first time?
It is, yes. I was a little nervous about coming, but you are right. Everyone seems very friendly. It is a really great idea for an event.
It is. It is a wonderful way to meet new people and to practice a new language at the same time. So, which language are you here to practice today, Mark?
I am here to try and practice my German. I recently moved to Vienna from the United States, and my German is still very, very basic.
You moved here from the US. How exciting! Welcome to Vienna. Well, your German will improve very quickly if you come to events like this.
I hope so. It is my main goal. I also came here because I do not know many people in the city yet, and I was hoping to make some new friends.
This is the perfect place for that. So, you are a native English speaker?
I am, yes. And what about you, Anna? Are you learning a new language?
I am not learning a new one at the moment. I am actually from Vienna. I am a native German speaker.
Oh, really? So why do you come to a language exchange event?
I come here to practice my English. I can speak it quite well, but if you do not use a language regularly, you can start to forget it. I work for an international company where I have to speak English every day. So I like to come here to keep my skills sharp. And, like you, I love to meet new people from all over the world. So, you are new to our city? How are you finding Vienna so far? Do you like it here?
I absolutely love it. It is one of the most beautiful cities I have ever seen. I am still in the tourist phase. Every weekend, I just walk around for hours, admiring the incredible architecture.
It is a beautiful city to walk around. There is so much history on every corner. What is your favorite thing about the city so far?
My favorite thing is definitely the public transport system. It is so clean, efficient, and easy to use. It makes exploring the city a real pleasure. In my city in the US, you need a car to go anywhere.
I have heard that. Yes, we are very lucky with our public transport. It is one of the best things about living here. Is there anything you have found challenging about living in Vienna?
The biggest challenge for me is definitely the language. I am learning standard German, but when I listen to people talking on the street, they often speak in a local Viennese dialect, which sounds very different.
Ah, yes. The dialect can be very tricky, even for other German speakers. Please do not worry about that. Everyone can speak standard German as well, and almost everyone, especially younger people, can speak excellent English, so you will always find a way to communicate.
That is a relief to hear. Everyone has been very patient with my terrible German so far.
People here are usually very happy when they see that foreigners are making an effort to learn the language. It is a sign of respect.
I am definitely trying my best. I have a question for you, but it is not about language. I was just admiring your camera bag. It looks very professional.
Oh, thank you. This is my constant companion. I never leave the house without my camera.
So, you are a photographer.
I would not call myself a professional photographer. It is just my main hobby. It is my biggest passion outside of my work.
That is amazing. I cannot believe it. Photography is my biggest hobby too.
Really? No way. That is such a great coincidence. So you are a fellow photography enthusiast?
I am. I have been teaching myself for the last few years. I actually brought my camera with me today. I was hoping to take some photos in the city after this event.
That is fantastic. It is always so exciting to meet someone who shares the same passion.
It is. I could talk about photography all day. So, since you are a local, you must know all the best places in Vienna to take pictures.
I have a few favorite spots, for sure. It depends on what you like to photograph. What is your favorite subject?
That is a good question. I think I am mostly a landscape and nature photographer. I love being outdoors and capturing beautiful scenery.
So, you are more interested in places than in people.
I think so. I am a little bit shy about taking pictures of people. What about you? What do you love to photograph?
I am the complete opposite of you. My favorite thing in the world to photograph is people. I am a street and portrait photographer.
That is so cool. I really admire street photographers. You have to be so brave and fast to capture those spontaneous moments.
It is a lot of fun. I love walking around the city and just observing daily life. Vienna is a great city for street photography because there are always so many interesting characters and beautiful old streets. My favorite area to shoot is the First District, with all its historic alleyways. So, you are a landscape photographer. I can imagine you must love the parks here in Vienna, like the Prater or the Burggarten.
I do. They are beautiful. But my real passion is hiking. I love to hike up into the hills or mountains to find a spectacular view to photograph. That is when I am happiest.
You love hiking? Now this is getting spooky.
Why? Do you not like hiking?
I do not just like hiking, I absolutely love it. It is my other main hobby besides photography.
You are joking. That is my other main hobby too. This is an incredible coincidence. We have the same two big passions in life.
It seems we do. So on the weekends, you can often be found on top of a hill with your camera?
Exactly. That is my perfect day.
Me too. This is amazing. So, have you had a chance to explore any of the hiking areas around Vienna yet?
I have been for one hike in the Vienna woods, the Vienna Vault. I went up to the Kahlenberg to see the famous viewpoint over the city. It was a beautiful day.
The Kahlenberg is the classic choice. It is a beautiful view, but there are so many other amazing trails in the Vienna woods that are a bit more hidden and less crowded.
I would love to discover some of those hidden trails. It is amazing to have such a huge forest so close to the city.
It is one of the best things about living in Vienna.
You have this perfect balance between a vibrant cultural city and beautiful, peaceful nature.
It seems like we have a lot of the same interests. It is really nice to meet a kindred spirit.
I agree. It is very rare. So, we have talked about our hobbies. What about our work? What do you do for a living, Anna?
I am a graphic designer. I work for a small advertising agency here in the city.
A graphic designer. That makes perfect sense. It connects to your love of photography and your visual eye. Do you enjoy your job?
I do. It is a very creative job. I get to work on all kinds of different projects, like designing logos, websites, and posters for clients. It can be stressful sometimes when the deadlines are tight, but it is very rewarding to see your ideas come to life.
It sounds like a perfect job for you. Your hobbies and your work are both in the creative field.
They are. I feel very lucky in that way. What about you, Mark? You said you just moved here for a new job. What do you do?
I am a junior marketing assistant for a tech company.
Marketing. So we are in similar fields. We're both in the world of communication, just on different sides.
It seems so. Are you enjoying your new job?
I am, very much. It is my first job in a new country, so it has been a big learning experience. But the company is great, and my team is very friendly. I am learning a lot.
That is the most important thing. And do you plan to stay in Vienna for a long time?
I hope so. My contract is for 2 years, but I would love to stay for longer if everything goes well. I am really starting to feel at home in this city. I think it is a wonderful place to live.
I am a little biased, of course, but I have to agree with you. It is a great city. Well, Mark, I have to say, this has been a really wonderful conversation.
I agree. It has been so nice to meet you, Anna. It is the most fun I have had practicing a language.
I feel the same way. I think the language exchange event is starting to finish up now. I should probably get going soon.
Me too. I have some boring life administration to do this afternoon, like grocery shopping.
The joys of a weekend. Well, it was really lovely to meet you.
You too. This might be a bit forward, but I was wondering, since we have so many of the same interests, I would really like to hang out again sometime.
That is not forward at all. I was thinking the exact same thing. I would love to hang out again.
Really? That is great. I have an idea. We both love photography, and we both love hiking. What if we combined our two hobbies? We could go on a photo walk or a photo hike together one day.
A photo hike? That is a brilliant idea. We could explore one of those hidden trails in the Vienna woods that I was telling you about. It would be a great way to take some beautiful landscape and nature photos.
I would absolutely love that. You could be my guide to the secret spots of the Wienerwald.
And you could give me some tips on landscape photography. I could learn a lot from you.
I am not sure about that, but it would be a lot of fun to take pictures together and to share ideas. Are you free next weekend?
I think I am. Yes, next Saturday is completely free for me.
Me too. So, should we make a plan?
Definitely. This is very exciting.
It is not every day you meet a new hiking and photography buddy.
It certainly is not. So, how should we organize the details? Maybe it is a good idea for us to exchange phone numbers?
That is a very good idea. Then we can send each other a message during the week to decide on a time and a place to meet.
Perfect. My number is... Okay, and I will just save yours in my phone now. Anna. There. I will send you a quick message so you have my number too.
Great. I just got it. Well, this has been a very successful first visit to the Language Exchange Cafe for you.
It has been more successful than I could have ever imagined. It was so great to meet you, Anna.
You too, Mark. I am already looking forward to our photo hike. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend.
You too. And I will text you later this week. Bye for now.